Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Open OneNote and create a new notebook named for the project you're working on. Once done, add sections to separate major topics. Color code them so you can find things fast. Make a page for today's meeting or lecture, then add subpages for related notes. Tag each page with 1-2 keywords. You're doing this to build an organized hierarchy so retrieval is instant. Make sure to sync now. That prevents lost edits if you switch devices. Start capturing using quick notes or the new page shortcut so you don't lose any idea. Use headings and bullet lists to chunk information. Add 1 or 2 inline tags like to do or important so you can filter later. Insert images, PDF, or audio recordings when text isn't enough, and use ink to sketch diagrams. This adds visual memory. Once you've captured, make sure to add context. Who said it, why it matters. That context turns raw notes into you. After you capture, organize by moving pages into appropriate sections and merging duplicates. Use search and the tag summary to collect action items. Review your notebook weekly. Convert tagged items into tasks or calendar events so nothing slips. If you need to share, export pages or use shared notebooks. If sync fails, force a sync, sign out and back in, and check account storage. These steps usually fix it. Make sure to export any critical pages before major changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.